Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to increase views on your YouTube Shorts. If you want your shorts to go viral, watch this video till the end. The first 1-2 seconds decide everything. Start with a hook that grabs attention instantly. Say things like, "Wait till you see this," or "Most people don't know this trick." A strong hook equals more retention, equals more views. The best length for shorts is 8 to 12 seconds. Shorter videos loop more, and if your video loops, YouTube automatically pushes it to more people. Search what's trending. Challenges, facts, motivation, hacks, news. If you follow trends early, your shorts get discovered faster. Always add short text on screen. It increases retention because people read and watch at the same time. Something like 5 quick tips or must-know facts. Keep it simple. Use 5 to 7 smart hashtags. Always include hashtag shorts, must-show white shorts. Then add your niche tags like hashtag motivation, hashtag facts, hashtag tech, hashtag food. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Make sure the video is full vertical 9:16. If your frame is slightly horizontal, YouTube reduces reach. Post 1 to 3 shorts every day. Shorts work on consistency. The more you upload, the more YouTube tests your videos with new viewers. Videos that create shock, curiosity, motivation, or humor go viral faster. If your viewer feels something, they share the video, and sharing means more views. Write titles like "Unknown Facts You Should Know" or "Quick Tips to Improve Confidence." Keep it short, clear, and clickable. Go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, Shorts. Check what people rewatched, where they dropped off, and which video performed best. Then repeat that format. And that's how you increase views on your YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.